How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Alex and this is TorqueTube18. So for today's video, it is going to be an installation video. We have something new for the scat pack, and that is door lights. So it's the lights that are under the doors that actually open up at night or anytime you open the door, but you mostly see them at night. And we actually bought some puddle lights, so we are going to install that on the scat pack today. And we're actually going to see what it looks like during the night, but we're going to install them right now. They were pretty pricey, honestly. It was like $70 plus shipping and stuff, but right now we're going to open it up, take out the cap on the car, and we will install it. Alright guys, so this is actually the box that the lights came in, and here are the lights. You've got the rectangle lights, and in the middle I believe there's like the little emblem and stuff. So a little bit more modern than ours, because ours is like this yellow kind of light, like kind of like the garage light over there. But now it's gonna be nice bright yellow with a logo on it. So we're just gonna install it right away. I'm gonna go take out the little chair and we will install it. So I just opened the door. I don't want to take the cover off because it's really hot outside, but just gonna lie down right now. So here is the light. See how it's like kind of like yellowish. There is glue right here because we wanted to see exactly what it looked like before doing it, so we had already opened it a few months ago. But I'm just gonna pop this out and it should be a plug and play, and should be good. So let's go ahead and do it. So this is what it looks like when you pop off the little screen here. This little thing, this is what it looks like. And then as you can see here, it's just like a plug. You just unplug that and the rest of the piece is gonna come out, and it's just you plug it back in the new lights. So let me go ahead and do it and we will see what it looks like. Alright guys, so right now I just plugged it in, as you could see, and I'm gonna try and do this. I don't know how it's gonna work, but I don't know if you could see it. It is actually reflecting onto my hand, so I don't know if you guys could actually see that, but it is actually reflecting, so it is working. So I'm just gonna put this back in the hole. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I put everything back. As you can see, it is a white light and not a yellow light anymore, so everything's buttoned up. I have to go do the other side, and we will see each other in a couple of hours to see what it looks like during the night. Alright guys, so it is finally 9 o'clock, so it is actually dark outside. So right now we're gonna show you what it looks like. So we're gonna go ahead, turn the car on, and show you what the lights look like. So here it is. Just gonna go on the other side. There it is, Killer B. And I actually did this job myself, and I'm 15 years old, so you guys will be able to do it. It was actually pretty simple and easy. So this is what it looks like. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Please smash that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you on the next one.